Hello friends, welcome to the next video on MySQL series. In this video, we'll be learning about the union available in MySQL. So union plays an important role in all the cases where we have two tables and both the tables have exactly the same columns present. What if we want to join the table in a vertical fashion? While we are performing a left join, right join or inner join, the tables are being joined in a horizontal fashion. What we if we want to join the tables in a vertical fashion and display the results? So in that particular case, we'll be using unions. To simplify this, let us move to the editor and see the results. So for this, why don't we use the same results which we received by doing a left join and a right join? Let us do that. So this was the left join. Let us do a union and I would do a right join. Since I know that both the results would have the same number of columns and the column structure would also be same, then I know that I can use union in this particular case. This will help me to join the data in a vertical fashion. I would hit enter now. When I individually run this particular code, the left join and the right join codes, all the common customer IDs are being matched and they are joined. So both these entries, one customer 1 and 12, are common. So they will be just entered as a single value in our table. And then similar operation it will perform on all the other columns. So it will take a particular row from a table and then it will match with all the rows. If it is kind of same, it would just enter a single value as a single row. If there is any differences in both the rows, that would be entered as two different rows. So that is basically what we mean when we perform a union. The basically the difference is here we are joining the tables in a vertical fashion rather than in a horizontal fashion. So I hope this has cleared your concept on the unions which are. Meet you